In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make curved lines in Canva. We're keeping this really straightforward, so you can follow along in just a minute without any confusion. Start by going to your project. That simply means open the design you're working on in Canva, whether it's a presentation, a social media graphic, or any other layout. Make sure the canvas is visible and you're inside the editor, not on the home screen, so you can see the left-hand sidebar and the main page area. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Tools. This is where Canva groups helpful design controls that aren't specific to images or text. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the panel slightly or make sure you're in the Design Editor view. Clicking Tools opens a set of options designed to speed up common tasks. Inside Tools, click the line icon. This tells Canva you want to work with line elements, which includes straight lines as well as more dynamic options. Lines are great for visual guides, separators, and flow, and choosing the line icon sets you up with the right category so you don't have to hunt around. Now, click the curved line icon to create one. The moment you select it, a curved line will appear on your canvas. You can drag it to position it exactly where you want it, and use the handles to shape the curve to match your design. Keep your movements steady and small at first. Gentle adjustments usually produce cleaner results. If something goes off track, use undo to step back and try again. A few simple tips as you work. Zoom in a little for precision whenever you're placing or bending the curve. Keep an eye on spacing so your curved line complements nearby text and images rather than crowding them. If you're using multiple curved lines, try to keep their thicknesses consistent so the design feels cohesive. And remember, curved lines are most effective when they lead the eye. Use them to point toward a headline, connect related items, or soften the edges of a layout that feels too rigid. That's truly all there is to it. Go to your project, click Tools on the left, choose the line icon, and then select the curved line icon to create one. With a few thoughtful adjustments and a bit of practice, you'll be shaping elegant, professional-looking curves that elevate your design in no time.